What if I told you the safest job in tech are the ones powering AI behind the scenes? While everyone is rushing to learn AI, most people are missing the real gold mine. And those skills are the AI which cannot replace, but actually it depends on. So if you're confused about what to learn in 2025 or feeling like, hey, AI is about to replace you, this video is your roadmap. So we are going to talk about top 5 skills that are not only AI proof but will actually thrive because of AI. And for each one, I'll break down what AI can help you with and where it's still going to need you. So stick around. This could be the difference between being replaceable and being unskippable. The first one, is cloud computing and DevOps. Now, cloud is not just a buzzword anymore. It's everything runs on your, favorite app, your website, your AI model. Everything is, living literally on the AWS, Azure, or the GCP. Now, AI might write you a Terraform script, but it's you who has to decide where it should run, how it should scale, and how to fix it when it breaks. So here, what AI can do for you? Well, it can actually help you translate and write infrastructure as a code template. It can even suggest to CI/CD pipeline, help you with auto scale workload, and also help you with restarting of a crash container. But what are the things which AI cannot do? Well, it cannot design a secure, cost-effective architecture across multi-region based on the business need. It cannot understand the trade-off. Should we use a Fargate or EC2? It doesn't know, and it won't troubleshoot your 2 a.m. deployment which failed. So cloud and DevOps isn't dying; it's evolving, and if you master how to leverage AI in your workflow instead of fearing it, well, you become 10x more valuable. While others can stuck writing prompts, you'll be building the world AI runs on. Now, number two in the list is the cybersecurity, which is my personal favorite. So let me say this very upfront. AI is a double-edged sword in security. Well, it's being used to detect threats, that's sure, but also to create them faster. Now, AI might help you for scanning of vulnerabilities using multiple tools, but it's also being used to draft a next generation cyber attacks. Well, who's going to stop you? You. Here's what an AI can do in this scenario. Well, it can scan for the misconfiguration files, parse logs, flag anomalies, suggest some basic fixes. But what it cannot do is it cannot perform a zero-day exploit simulation. It won't know when multiple small events add up to a critical risk. It doesn't have the intuition to say, hey, this looks fishy, and it won't jump into a war room at 3 a.m. to contain a breach. So, cybersecurity is human by nature. It requires creativity, critical thinking, judgment, and yes, sometimes even a social engineering as well. So, AI can assist the defense, but the defense still needs leader, which is you guys are going to be. The third on the list is embedded systems and the IoTs, which I've been looking forward in past couple of weeks. So now let's come back to the real world. That smartwatch on your wrist, your microwave, even electric vehicles, they all run on embedded systems. In this scenario, AI can write Python code, but it cannot, flash firmware to a microcontroller or debug why a smart sensors giving a garbage value at minus 10 degrees Celsius. So what AI can help you with is AI can help you with assisting code optimization, simulate some output from the sensor, even help with the testing logic as well. But what it cannot do is it won't identify the hardware level bugs. It can't adjust for signal interference, or thermal issues. It doesn't know how to program a real-time operating system on a drone. And last, when I checked, AI doesn't click, do any soldering as well. So IoT and embedded systems are the bridge between the software and the reality. They are booming, and barely anyone is, entering this field, which means opportunity. So learn this now, and you're probably riding a, wave most people don't even see yet. Now, the fourth on the list is data engineering. Well, let's talk about the fuel that drives the AI, the data, right? Now, everyone wants to be a data scientist or a prompt engineer, but here's the thing: none of those jobs exist without clean, reliable, structured data altogether, right? Which means I can write queries, but it does not know if 01/04 means April 1st or January 4th. That's where you come in. Now, here's what AI can do is it can help you suggest SQL queries, suggest some transformations, create, charts or summaries. But what it cannot do is it won't rebuild a broken pipeline when a source system changes. It can't clean 14 different file types and map them to one schema with some business logic intact. And it doesn't know what user underscore type equal to null really means for the business. So data engineering is foundation. The more AI we build, the more people we need to manage the data AI feeds on. So if you are enjoying messy puzzles and love making sense of chaos, this is going to be your superpower in terms of the technology. Fifth on the list is the product management and the UX design. So let's say you are not a hardcore coder, but you love understanding people, right? So, which means understanding people, solving real problems, and probably building some cool stuff. Then this is one for you, which is a product management and the UX. Well, AI can draw a button, but it doesn't know why one's clicking on it, right? So in this scenario, what AI can actually do is it can help you in generating wireframes. It can write some, meeting summaries. It can even help you in brainstorming some user stories as well. But what it can't do is it won't lead a cross-functional team. It doesn't balance user empathy with the business goal. It doesn't hear a customer complain and go, oh wait, we're solving the wrong problem. Product and UX are about human connections, and humans still want to be understood, not just optimized. If you are actually a storyteller, a strategic thinker, or just someone who can spot a broken flaw, uh, you know, then AI is basically your assistant. But you are the creator, right? So, uh, coming back to the conclusion after all these, five. See, uh, AI is amazing. There's no doubt about it. It's fast, it's helpful, but it doesn't dream. It doesn't judge. It doesn't, protect, connect, or, even understand. So these five tech skills that we just, had a discussion on, they're not just safe from AI, they're even the very reason AI can exist and scale. And if you start learning them now, you are chasing the train. You are building the infrastructure behind it. So cloud powers AI, cybersecurity protects it, embedded systems bring it to the life, data engineers feed it, and product people give it a purpose. Choose one, go all in. Because in 2025, the real winners won't be the ones who know just how to use AI. They'll be the ones who know how to build the world around it. So hit the like button if you think like this gave you a lot of clarity. Comment what you are planning to learn, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got a lot of more coming on how you make your future proof career into tech, especially with this huge shift in the tech world.